Government of the city of St. Louis to persecute us for doing no more than exercising our Second Amendment rights. Every single human being who was in front of my house was a criminal trespasser. They broke down our gate, they trespassed on our property. Not a single one of those people is now charged with anything. We're charged with felonies that could cost us 4 years of our life and our law licenses. To everybody out there that's thinking about voting for Joe Biden, the Harris-Biden administration, this is a sign of the times and things to come. The government that views its task as protecting criminals from honest citizens rather than protecting citizens from honest criminals.
Honest criminals.
Honest criminals. Protecting honest citizens from criminals. Every one of those people is a criminal. There's no doubt about it. The government chooses to persecute us for doing no more than exercising our right to defend ourselves, our home, our property, and our family. And now we're getting drugged here time after time after time. And for what? We didn't fire a shot. People that were violently protesting in front of our house and screaming death threats and threats of rape and threats of arson. Nobody gets charged, but we get charged.
What do you think about the concern that the circuit attorney's office altered the gun that your wife was holding, turned it from a non-working gun into an operable weapon?
If that doesn't frighten all of you, that the government's willing to do that just to take a political advantage of this case, to make us, to intimidate people that might think about defending themselves against the mob, then you need to be afraid of that. If the government's willing to go to that level just to make a case against us, not because we committed any crime, but because we had the gall to protect our home and our family against the mob, then you should all be very afraid of what's coming down the road for us if we don't re-elect Donald Trump.
I don't have specifics. My understanding is the grand jury has convened, and whether or not they've decided what they're going to do, or all the evidence has been presented, is unknown to me at this time.
In your experience, is it typical for it to take this long to get through grand jury?
It can. In a case like this, the facts are pretty basic and pretty simple, and pretty much everything is on video, so I don't know why there would be a delay, but we just have to roll with the punches, and if in fact there is a true bill, we'll deal with it at that time.
What's your message?